Yo. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? And everything. Oh, what a bounce. What a fucking bounce. Damn, son. Yo. I got to turn this fucking screen on. Sorry, chat. All right. Who's out here? Who's out here? Anyone coming in to give me personal coaching? One-on-one free one-on-one coaching? Andy, Carbonite. What's up, man? I saw you hanging out in the Discord, bro. Happy to see you in there, bro. JK, Keegan, Tommy, Kenny, Jay, Timothy Chapo, David Schneider, Dimitri. Oh, man. I didn't really trade that much so far today, but I did get some good trading in. AS, Vero, Nayo. Just ain't right. Mwah. Tommy. Trend friend. Benjamin. Scout for the win. How far over the buffer were they, bro? Man, I'm just curious. JK. Kasalisk. Yo. I'm gonna see if I can incorporate that into some thumbnails. Kasalisk. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna see if I could get a job at Chase. I'm Millie Maximus. Lance. Yeah, bro. We got to clean that shit up, right? Investors. You were 150 over on 2 accounts. Honestly, what's wrong with that? I get it though. I get it. But you were, excuse my fucking stumbling over here. You had the opportunity, right, to take a payout, even though it wouldn't be a lot. You'd be I think it was 2 accounts. You said $300. After they take their 20%, it's $240. You have $240 sitting in your wallet, and then you do it one more time. Then you have enough to take out without being penalized, because you need to be able to request over 250. Well, you can request whatever amount you want, but to withdraw from the wallet, Take Profit Trader, you want to be over $250 in your wallet to withdraw. Otherwise, they'll charge you $50. It's like their way of saying, just wait till you get to 250. But you could withdraw, you could request $100, and there's no penalty for that. But dude, you get the payout, and the best part about the payout, even if it's only $300, it's a fucking payout, and that feels good. The whole act, it's like building fucking muscle memory. You want to build a muscle memory of requesting payouts, even if they're fucking small. But I get it, because I've been there. I always think I could get more. So I'm not going to scold you for it. Just think about that the next time you get there, because it will happen again. Not you fucking up. Well, that could probably happen again too, but you getting yourself in a position where you could request a payout and to just fucking take it. P. Shenanigan, Slick Rick, the Ruler, Roberto, Wiz. Yeah, bro. I blew 7 funded accounts basically as soon as I got them the other day. These are my take profit trades. I haven't traded these yet today. What a nice, first of all, this right here was a 786 rejection. This is a 707 bounce, with this being the low and then this being the high. But watch this. Let me show you. The fibs have been fibbing all fucking day. Here's the low. The high is the high at day, which is just another all-time fucking high there, 786. We dropped fucking what? We dropped 897 to fucking, we dropped 100 points. But we just been cucking. We're in another bull flag because look what just happened. We're in another fucking flag again. It seems like every day we're in a fucking bull flag. Benjamin. Susan. Just, yeah. Dips and Peaks, Tick Daddy. Thank you. GMAT, what up? Roberto, no, they don't liquidate it. Yeah, that's okay. If you set your weekly profit to 3K, you did that in here in Trade Evade's risk settings. You did it in here, right? That's where you got taken out. You're good. Just make sure you have drawdown. There's no point. You don't need to trade that account anymore. JK is tilting and full porting this shit. Yep. Yeah, you're good, Roberto. That's what this is designed for. The daily profit trigger is designed to take you out of your trade when it hits it, but it's not perfect. I'm imploring you to fucking make sure you have take profits in place as well. Don't just rely on that entirely. Don't rely on this entirely, even though as I sit here and said it. Because I already had a situation. Hold on. I'll show you in a second. Let me just hide this. Just make sure there's no dick pics in my preview. I'm actually making a video about this. Where is that shit? All right. My bad. My B. So look, perfect example of it not. Let me go back to a chart. And then I'll show you. You just don't want to rely on this entirely by itself. It's cool, but it doesn't always work. That's all I'm trying to say. Like, for example, right here, all 3 of these accounts had the daily profit trigger set. All 3 of these accounts were in the same exact trade because I'm copy trading. They all got filled. My entry was identical. They all went up the same. For whatever reason, only this one on top here got taken out because I was fucking lazy and didn't have a take profit. My profit trigger only worked on this one and not these 2. And then look what happened. This is what I ended up with because I was like, fuck. It literally went against me as soon as I basically top ticked the market. And then it went against me as soon as where I was happened. And then I went on to blow these accounts. If you look on my trade day, I don't have those accounts anymore. Any of them. But that was like 7 accounts ago. Maybe 8 accounts ago. PNP, what up? You set the weekly target to 3,000. Yeah, it'll overshoot it, especially if it's moving fast. If it's moving fast, it'll overshoot it because what happens is it triggers to execute the exit of the trade. And if it's still going up or down, depending on, if it's still moving in favor of the position you're in and it's moving fast, it's not just going to take you out at exactly that spot. That's why you got to be careful. Jack Boom. Blackout, what up? Oh my God, Dimitri. Yeah. It's been tough for a lot of people, myself included. But these are my trade days. After what you guys were you so yesterday I'm on the stream. Yesterday I'm streaming and I'm like, I want to get a quick flip in before because I had to get brand new accounts again after being up over 1,800 on not the first batch, but the last batch I had. I fucked it up. Got new ones, and I'm like, let me get a quick flip in, maybe win it, just to get the day in, right? And I didn't have a fucking group set up yet, let alone have a group activated. I didn't even have it set up, so I just go in with 3 automatically, and it just fills me in one account with crude. And of course, it went against me, and I lost like fucking $800 in this one account, and then the other accounts, I think I lost like $100 or 80 or like $90. But I had a $900 day today. I stopped. So we're good there. That's cool. I got all my drawdown, obviously. And then I blew my Lucid accounts that were last night when I was streaming. I literally fucking called this shit with gold. I mean, it fucking dumped. It was a spectacular dump. But this was a 786 rejection with this low and this high, this right here. And it was already down like over here. And I'm like, I don't want to chase. I'm a pussy. I don't want to chase with just a mini. And then it goes down like 70 something ticks, cucks around for like 20 minutes. Then the new hour comes and it drops a bunch fucking more. I get filled in one at the 707 to go long. I miss getting filled in one by one tick to add another add right at the 786. I literally missed it by one fucking tick. And had I gotten filled between that and the other one I was in, the other minis worth of micros I was in, I would have had like $500 or $600. Then it comes down, fills me, and then blows through it, and I add like a dumb fuck, and I blow the account right here. All I had to do was just go in short and just ride that shit out, and I would have passed my Lucid accounts, and I'd be telling you that I have 500 Lucids, but unfortunately, that's not what happened. So it was fucking fucked up and embarrassing. I embarrassed myself, and it happens. I'm not perfect, but the show goes on. I got new ones. And then I had two rapid eval my fund the futures accounts, and I went down in those also after that. Not by a lot, but I was down like $150 to $200. But guess what? I fucking passed them. I ended up passing them this morning. So I got these two my funded futures rapid accounts, and then I got my freebies again. I bought so many fucking Pogo evals during that promotion that I was able to reset some that I blew, and that's what these were when I passed them. And I got two freebies. So let's see the other 2 times I got freebies, I fucking blew the accounts quick. I want to see if I could actually pass these. I mean it this time. I'm gonna try to pass these so I could have 4 funded rapid accounts with my funded futures. Rapid gives you the ability to get paid on day 1 potentially and get paid daily. Franny, what's up? How dare you call it gambling? Yo, I saw your fucking comment. You see me reply to the comment? You said that Italians never forget. I don't. I never forget when someone fucking slights me and tries to act like they're my fucking friend. Goddamn fucking right. Any advice for a 3-year struggling trade? Haven't gotten a payout in 3. You haven't gotten a payout in 3 months. And how many payouts have you gotten over your 3 years of trading? Like dollar amounts. Can you, if you don't mind sharing? What up, Money Mitch? If anyone was on that stream last night, that fucking jerk off, who I never really thought was that much of a jerk off until they showed their true colors in the chat. What up, Josh? You're You're at about 13K in payouts. Hey, bro, you made 13K in payouts. Coach Singh, you were there? I still have not opened the fucking 12 messages my fucking Discord got blown up with. While, yeah, real fucking jerk off. Showed his true colors. Yo, Reed, no doubt, bro. Good shit. Are you in the Discord? Reed, join the Discord and hit me up so we could. I want to hang out with you at least once. Well, I don't really have time to do much of shit anyway, so we got to hang out one time before you go. But you're here for 9 days, so we don't have to do it right away. You know what I mean? Yeah, hit me up. Yeah, hit me up on the Discord. Send me a DM. Shoot me shoot me your text, your fucking phone or whatever, and we'll fucking connect when you get out here. While you're out here. Yeah, PMP, maybe you just need to take a little step back. I'm not saying to stop trading, but I mean, I'm not gonna. I can't give you that advice. I can't tell you to slow down when I'm not slowing down, but other people can. Something's happening. You know what I'm saying? There's something that keeps happening. There's some sort of behavior that keeps repeating itself, and you need to fucking break the pattern. Take them to get a victory burger. That fucking bro, Jack Boom, that place was fucking that burger was this it was like holding this coffee cup. That burger was fucking gigantic. And you just sat there and watched me eat it because you weren't hungry. I needed to fucking. So long story short, I don't really drink. Hardly. The only time I drink is if someone comes out from out of town and wants to meet up and they're gonna have a drink. I'll have a drink with them. Jack Boom was in town. I had a couple of. First thing he does is hand me a fucking shot. Yeah, Jack, he was already full. He already ate. So I'm fucking. I'm like fucking. I'm a lightweight. I'm kind of fucked up. So we're like, yo, let's get fucking. He's like, get a burger over here to soak up some of the alcohol. Dude, the burger was like this. It was like the size of my fucking face. Yeah, Reed, hit me up, bro. It was a good time though. Circa's dope. And then, fucking Jack Boom. Jack Boom. I don't want to say exactly what happened, but he could say it if he wants in the chat, but he was this close to really fucking himself. So close to fucking himself. That was fun, bro. That was cool, bro. That was fun. What's my Shirley Temple? Yeah, that's my with a couple of extra cherries. Giorgio, what up? I don't know. I thought, well, you did it to the body, Vero. I don't know. I always go by the wicks. You also got to keep in mind, I don't know what time frame you're doing. I don't know what time frame you're looking at when you draw them. But if you look at a larger time frame, a lot of times there's no wick. It's usually a body of a candle or whatever. Not always, but Bobby Digital, what up? Dan K. He was about to hit on guys. Nah, nothing like that. He was walking around telling everybody, it's ma'am. Yeah, Ree. Last night was fucking crazy. And the fucking audacity. And maybe I was in the wrong to some degree, but all it took was a little bit of poking and prodding for the real true colors of my coach to show up. All it took was a little bit of me fucking pressing and calling out. And then the person who acted like they wanted to help really fucking showed what they were all about. DS. If you're only some jerk off, it doesn't even matter. Go watch the stream yesterday and turn on the chat replay. Actually, you won't even see their chat. You won't even see their messages. Never mind. Roger Adams, what up? Just some guy who acts like they were my friend. Took a little dig at me, trying to be helpful. The only time they come around is when I'm fucking going through when I'm like going through a rough patch. Never see them any other time. They were non-existent when I was fucking doing 40K a month, basically, or averaging 40K a month for 3 months and went on that crazy fucking 5-month fucking tear. Never seen them. But before that, I was fucking struggling mightily. They were offering me free one-on-one coaching. Yeah, okay. And then after that, right now, they came in and took a little dig. So I called them out on saying, "Whoa, I only see you when I'm fucking struggling. Where are you? Where were you when I was fucking doing good?" You know? Then they were and then he's like, and then he started getting all nasty. "Oh yeah, you didn't want me fucking in the Discord." I was like, "Yeah, you weren't providing value." And then he said, how is what you're doing providing value?" And then he said, "Yeah." I'm like, "I don't provide value? Then why do people keep coming and hanging out with me? Why do I have a Discord of 1,500 fucking people? And we all hang out together." Well, they're all just laughing at you. I come here to laugh at you with them. So that's someone who was saying they want to help. Rangap. Tommy, of course. JK. No, it wasn't. Actually, their name is Dan, but not that guy. And not Dan K above here. Joker, what up? Nah, but at first he really genuinely wanted to help. And then all it took was a little poking and prodding for them to show what a piece of fucking shit they were. And then as I fucking hid their messages from the chat, then my Discord started blowing up and I got like 12 messages from that clown while I was fucking going off at him. Like Dan Scott from One Tree Hill, John Q. He turned out to be okay. Yeah, Bullhead Mike. Yep. That's just how it is. I trade. Yeah. V33. Yeah, money. Exactly. But I guess there's no value in that. There's no value. There's only values in the ups. There's only values it's only value when I'm winning, not when I'm going through some shit. Right? According to this fucking jerk off. Josh, what up? How dare you call yo, bro? Yeah. Yep. And they were in my fucking Discord at one point, fucking poaching, posting like some wins here and there and being like, free one-on-one coaching. And I kicked them out. I'm pretty sure I got rid of them. So I didn't want that shit in my fucking Discord. That's not how you provide fucking value. Post a chart. Share what's fucking working for you. Help people out within the context of the fucking Discord. You want to put your little fucking one-on-one coaching in your bio, and if people decide they want to look at your profile and seek you out, then fine. But don't be fucking poaching motherfuckers in my fucking group that I fucking busted my ass to build by not providing any fucking value. And he brought that up. That's how shit works. That's how the world works. You want to fucking provide real value, don't be a fucking jerk off. Trading Academy. Yeah, man. It's ski mask time. Foster. Trading Academy. You got to figure out, obviously myself included, there's patterns of behavior that we've developed during this type of market that we got to figure out how to fucking break. I just don't like motherfuckers like that. And that's why as soon as he said what he said, even though he might have been right about where I was, because I was kind of like kicking myself and bitching about it or whatever, the point is, that's all he's ever done. And then I called him out on it, and then he fucking turned into a low-life piece of shit that I that I was wondering if that's what was going on, and that turned out to be exactly who that person was. Tommy.
Where's mommy?
She went to Sprouts. How are you?
Good.
How was your day?
It was great, actually.
Oh, good. That's fantastic. DJP, what up? The hour chart on the NQ. I mean, I'm on. That's a 15. Yeah, this shit, bro. It wants fucking 28,000 so bad. That's the hourly. Fucking crazy. There's nothing to the left. Absolutely nothing to the left. Casalis. Carbonite. A crack pipe pattern. Yeah. Wiz. Trading Joe, what up? I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen right now. This is gold. This is gold right now. We're at the fucking VWAP. Almost at the VWAP. Oh, you know what? I forgot to tell you guys. I think I could trade my Bullinox accounts now. Although I don't know if I want to, because I kind of want to work on my Take Proper Trader accounts. What? But I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me create a group. How do I get rid of a group? What does this mean? Create. Free coaching. 186. That's the leader. Copy mode. Fills only. What does that mean? All orders. Create group. Now I got to go in there and then add accounts. I got to add the followers. Do I have to do it one at a time? What the fuck? Symbol settings. NQ. What the fuck is this? GC MGCM. I don't know what this means. NQH. Hold on. GCM6, NQM6. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. What does the mapping do? I don't even understand what that means. No settings. All symbols will be copied as is. All right, I'll do that. Let me get rid of this. Oh, I gotta fucking delete it. Sorry, chat. I'm trying to figure this out. Add follower. All right, cool. 186 is the leader. Start. Running. Trade. 27,874. Is it the same? All right. Trade. Oh, Tyler. What up, Clarence? Oh, is that what that is, Carbonite? Yeah, fuck that. I don't want to fuck with that. It's Bolinox accounts, Tyler, but it's this copier. Well, it really isn't even a copy. It is a cop. They just added this feature. It's some free fucking third party platform called Trading Things. It's at tradingthings.io. My issue with Bolinox is I can't trade on Bolinox on my Mac because Top Step's fucking a bunch of scumbags, and Paytech got rid of took Project X away from all the other firms. So, and then I tried Tradecopia, but apparently I can't trade with Bolinox on Tradecopia if it's the leader. I'd have to add it to a Tradeovate hooked up account or some shit. I don't even know. It didn't work. It didn't fucking work. And I knew about Trading Things. Someone told me about it. I think it's JP or somebody told me about Trading Things. It's free. And they just added a copier. The reason why I didn't want to fuck with it in the beginning was because they didn't have a copier, but they added it. So now I can trade Rhythmic on my Mac without having to fucking install any fucking external fucking shit like VMware or Parallels. Yeah, I don't want to pay for TradeSync. I don't want to pay for it. What up, Tim? I'm still alive. Stoic, what up? It's called tradingthings.io. Now, is it any good? I couldn't even tell you because I haven't really used it yet. I used it once and I blew accounts fast because I don't know what the fuck I was doing. Dips and peaks. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. It's free for now. Have I taken any trades today? Yeah, I did. Just haven't taken any since I got on the stream. Oh, Lisa, what up? TradeSync is good invested money. The problem with Bolinox is they don't want you copy trading Bolinox with any other prop firm. Oh, it's tax deductible everywhere, Joe. How? I don't know. It's not worth it. It's not worth it to me. Tyler, it's not worth it if they know or they don't know. How would they know with me? Well, I fucking stream and I trade live. So they would know. It's not worth it. What are we doing here? What's crude doing? Nothing. What's gold doing? Gold seems to be the only thing moving right now. Like it dropped 130 ticks. Dog, I've seen people say they had issue with Trade Sinker. I don't know. First of all, a man of my stature shouldn't be trading using Trade Sinker merely for the fact that what if I lose control of my emotions and I put everything together and trade them all together and fuck everything up? I'm better off not using it. Rick. Yeah, Rick was there. I need more fucking coffee. Any day now. It's an interesting spot. With this being this little bit right here being a low, and actually no, that's not correct. Well, yeah, it is actually. That still works. I just think it's going to go lower. I could be wrong though. Just glad if you want to know the trade I took in this, it was right here. I took one mini for 45 points. Actually, there was another trade I did I was at $899 and then I fucking went in with a micro. Did I go in with a micro of gold? I guess I did to get the extra $2. But this was the trade right here. Before fees, it was $905. I just held it like a fucking big boy. And then right after I did that, I went and passed my Fund the Futures rapid evals. Can't show the trade because it was where it was? It was like in all this. I actually went up $1,100. I think I went up $1,100 to $1,200, almost had $1,500. Then I went down, and then I was already up a couple $100, and then I went up almost, I was getting close to $1,500, and then I gave a lot of it back, and I went back up. I gave a lot of it back because I was fucking getting caught up in this bullshit, and then I finally got my $1,500, and I haven't traded the funded account. I'm probably not even going to touch these yet. And then again, I got the free. These are freebies. I got the free evals. I'll show you the screenshot. Where is it? Oh my god, you guys see this shit? The fucking Chase fucking shit. Just the memes and the shit that's been coming out after is fucking hilarious. Here it is. Redeem your free rapid evaluations ×2. So if if I show these any respect, unlike the other 4 free ones I got, I could end up with 4 fucking funded Rapid My Funded Futures accounts, and that's what I would like. Oh, it's bouncing off of that 786. That's fucking just fantastic. Stock, cars, and bets. Shane. Yeah, Shane. I mean, I'm connected to it right now using some shit for free called Trading Things. I just haven't tried trading yet with these accounts. It works, though. It does work. I think I was in like the wrong fucking contract. I don't know what happened the last time I did it. It was a fucking shit show. AS. Holy Earth, what up? YouTube shadow banning me. What else is new, bro? Yeah, AS used to be like, I didn't know you were on. Now at least AS knows to come look for me. All of you guys do at this point. Dimitri. You know what they're doing right now? They're doing a Pogo deal on the Pro account, a 50K Pro account. So if you pass a 50K Pro account, that you could get 30% off of the Pro account. But if you pass a 50K, you'll get a free one. I think today's the last day you could get that. Just put in the best fucking code, 0DayJ. The no value code. The code that provides no value other than having the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. Coach Fred. 0Day Jane here. So is Rapid better than Builder? It depends on what your goals are. It's the fastest path to a payout if you want to run accounts up. And it's end of day. I'm pretty sure it's end of day drawdown. Oh shit. Rapid is like the Rapid plans are take profit trader plans or trade day, intraday plans. It depends on what you want. GMAT. Yeah, now they're saying that it's all bullshit. It's still fucking hilarious. The Rapid plan, so Bullhead Mike. The Rapid plan is end of day on the eval side and then intraday on the funded side, just like Take Profit Trader. The only prop firm that I know of that offers the potential for day one payouts and daily payouts and also has end of day trailing is Trade Day. It really didn't move at all. Stock, cards, and bets. Trader J. Option exchange. It's not, well, it's Trading Things. It's just a third party. It's like it's a free version of like NinjaTrader, Quantower, any of that shit. It gives me the ability to trade with Bullinox or just any Rhythmic account. I could trade anything that offers Rhythmic on this platform without having to fucking install dumb fucking software I don't want to install. 30 points down after that. Yeah, the Lucid Flexes are just fucking amazing. Press the button. Oh, okay, Dimitri, I got you. Just make sure your Rise account, the email you use for Rise is the same as the email you use for Trade Day and vice versa. Wow, that shit fucking, look at that. So I wonder how many people got fucked here thinking it was going to keep going. Yikes. Doink. Desmond. Tradeify daily is end of day as well? They have a daily plan? Dips and peaks. If you reset, you could reset a blown Pogo eval from the rapid plan, pass it, and you'll get a freebie. That's what I did. I did it a few times. Horace, what up, man? Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you. Well, too bad I'm not going to do a giveaway. I'm keeping that shit. Thanks. Really appreciate it, man. Great job. 5 rapid accounts to lock in 81 after fees. See that? Fucking beautiful. Beautiful. Great fucking job. And thank you. Appreciate it, man. Casa Lisk. Oh, their flex account, you get to choose daily or every 5 days. TJP, exactly. It's going towards the new kitchen. We still haven't figured out what faucet we want. Paying for the faucet, yo. Trump's about to talk too. Pika na sharika. Sebastian, what up? Come on, drop it more and fill me. Interesting. That was a nice drop. 80 something. We dropped 50 points after the fake out. Well, they asked him today if he has any plans on bombing Iran again. He's like, why would I tell you? Nobody does it better. I'm not, whether you like him or not, nobody does it better. His job is to be a fucking prick, and he's great at it. Do you think it's going to come down here? I got orders on gold also, but whatever, fuck it. Yeah. And the fucked up part, oh shit. The hood is here. Where's Aaron? Granny. Trading on tilt. FOMO. Yeah, the crazy narrative that they're pushing on all the, like, you know, on the conservative news networks, like on Fox and shit, is it's a small price to pay, you know, as long as we obliterate them. Wrong. We could have just left things alone and nothing would have happened. None of this shit would be happening. Nothing would have happened. Captain Price. P. Shenanigan. I just know for a fact that nothing would have happened. It's only happening because we were told to make it happen by our real president. What up, Abe? I'm not I don't know. I kind of fucked these up really bad yesterday. I'm not really expecting much. I'm not expecting good things to happen with this. I can just tell you right now. That was a nice drop. 80. I got a piece so fucking bad. Let's do a blockade to stop the blockade. It's all by design. All of this shit is pre-planned, long in advance. The end user gets fucked no matter what. It doesn't matter who's there, who's in. It doesn't matter who you vote for or what side you're on. They're all in it together. We are the enemy, and the more that they can control us, the more power they have. Four days on the legacy, right? The legacies take a little while. If you do it on the new account, you get approved right away. But I don't know. I feel you. Who wants to fucking wait? Who wants to wait for their money when there's so many other places you can get paid right away? But it's just another thing. You just add it to you add it to your portfolio of accounts. My broker statement. You add it to your prop firm broker statement. Uh-oh. Does it want the VWAP? I don't like this. Felix, what's up? This JP Morgan shit is fucking hilarious. Oh my God. Can this come? Is this really happening, chat? Oh my God. Trading Joe, yeah, they do that. At least they're clear about shit. Eric J, what up? Dimitri, there you go. Maybe that's the fucking the code, the blueprint. Take a quick nap, wake up feeling refreshed, and then fucking make the market your bitch. Yeah, this shit's, I guess it's waiting on Trump to say something. Yeah, they paid. You get paid fast as fuck too with them. I'm surprised they didn't let you go live. You almost with them, the secret with trade days, you don't want to fucking like, you don't want to go full degen and fucking have a $4,000 day or $5,000 day. You want to take your time. Rick, smart. If that's what you needed, then that's what you needed. Here's a 707. I got to pee so fucking bad. All right, we're gonna go get coffee, and then I'm gonna drain my main vein. Josh, what up? You blew your account before they could send you live. Yeah, they don't like degen shit. But they'll pay you. When you request, they'll pay you. Like if you request that night, you'll wake up to the money in your fucking Rise account. No questions asked. Uh-oh. There's my order that would have gotten filled. Shit. Hang on a sec. I'll be right back. Oh. What did I cancel? 819. Would I have gotten filled? Yeah, I would have gotten filled. Where's gold at? I don't know. Whatever. I mean, this shit worked its way down. Of course, I canceled the order and it's going up. Trump's talking right now. I canceled the order. I would have had 11 points, but I wouldn't have taken that, obviously. But look at that, 786. It's like, hey, Trump, the NQ's at the 786 on the 1 minute chart. You should start saying good things. Steve, what up? Dumper. You have to pay full price for live quotes? What do you mean? Bacon, what up? Marcine. 0 Day Jane. Ron with the large pip. Coach Fred. Nice job. Nice job. Oh, wait. You blew your account before you could send you live. Oh, you talk Trading Joe. Never mind. I'm getting confused. I missed a lot. I missed some of the chat because I was urinating. Carlos, what up? What's he talking about? I guess this is what's going to happen for the rest of the day. There's crude. Hey, see now it looks. Now I feel better about canceling that order. This shit ain't fucking moving right now. Savvy, what's up? Nayo. When does that go in place? Pamela, yeah, you see that? Crazy, right? Oh. We're just, oh, man, I can see, Sunday or Sunday night when the market reopens, or going into Monday, maybe Monday when New York opens. We're just flagging right now. This could fucking break out and push up over 28,000. Ms. Goody, Preneur X. Yeah, remember those days when I was actually fucking pretty good at trading? DGen. Let me draw a fucking. Let me draw a happy little fucking poll. You want to see my poll? Here's my flag poll. Let's see if it breaks out of this fucking thing. We'll see. Am I hiding my face? Oh, not on purpose. It's just the way the camera is. Yeah, you want to see my fucking beautiful face? Here we go. All in all its glory. Corey, maybe. Dawson. Yeah, I'm hiding from my coach. Alejandro. Closer, closer. Hold on, I didn't give this part of. I didn't give my. I got to give my pole some more girth. Hold on a second. There we go. It's got so. Look at all that girth now. You see, guys. Where's gold at? Fuck, man. This shit completely fucking died. Uh-oh. So from that fucking fake out right here, we're down almost 100 points. Fuck it. Well, we just broke out of the fucking. We just broke out of the flag to the downside. Maybe it'll go up and retest it, but we're at the VWAP. I saw something. We'll see what happens. I'll probably get fucked. I'm just tired of sitting here watching. Where's gold at? Might as well cancel these. Still in flag on the 60-minute. It could still be in there. I just the way I fucking drew this. You know what I mean? JP, what up? Yeah, I woke up this morning. All good. Rick G. Mwah. $11 business days. It's interesting. I don't know. You should hit up support and ask them. I don't really know. It should take 3 to 7 business days from when they sent the payment out. At this point with these accounts, I got to give myself fucking room. How much room am I going to get a chance to give myself though? $100? Is that it? Is that all I'm going to get? I guess so. Oh, is that the retest? Uh-oh. Are we going to go back in the flag? At least the flag that I had driven. Look, that I had drawn. Look, it rejected right off of that shit. Right off of that trend line, that tan line. It's not even really the right spot. I don't know. I feel like this is the right spot right there. Well, maybe not. I never know where to start it, but that seems like a decent spot. Keep pushing up. Like right there. I just need to give myself some breathing room because I fucked these accounts up yesterday. That might be all I get. Woo! We did it. What's crew doing? What's NQ doing? Oh, you fucker. Is this about to fucking go up? This is fucking a little sketchy here. Maybe it retests the VWAP, or the 786. Oh, gold fucking kind of popped. 193, almost 100 ticks there. This shit is whack. Even the 30-minute candle was nothing. Oh shit, we're fucking dumping. We're fucking dumping, guys. Yeah, Zen, with gold, with metals, you can only trade 5 micros. 5 micros isn't bad size for gold. That's half of a mini. It's not terrible. De Leon, what up? Yeah, I need Tori. I need to know. Someone get Tori on the horn. Someone get Tori on get her on here, and I need to know where she starts the flag. I was thinking maybe this is the spot. It just makes sense, right? It's just a trend line. It's a tan line. Oh, pro is 5 micros or 5 minis on all products. That doesn't make any sense. YGQ, what up? That's weird. Futures Ninja, what up? No, it ends tonight. It ends tonight. If you put in my code, you'll get 30% off and then the whole Pogo deal. Pass one, get one free. I like the rapid accounts. He's talking to the seniors. The contract scaling is 1-to-1, not 1-to-10. Tori trades second side, dude. She said her course will explain everything in detail. It just depends on how much you have on your credit card. Keegan. Oh, it ended 30 minutes ago? I thought this said Friday. Maybe it did. I don't know. Hold on. Let me see. 1 sec. Hold up, though. I'm checking my email. Oh, it's 24 hours. Sorry, guys. 24 hours. Ends Friday, May 1st. It's over. It's over. I think you'll still get 30% off, though, but I don't know if you get the Pogo anymore. It ended at 1 p.m. Eastern. It ended 34 minutes ago. Sorry, guys. This shit is fucking going crazy right now. Nice 707 bounce. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh man, I wish this power hour is fucking dog shit. I wish there was a little bit more fucking going on here. This is awful, guys. Chat, this is so bad. Canute. Yeah, I'm just sitting here. This shit ain't moving. This shit ain't like we're just in the fucking cuck zone. It just died. Miss K. Yeah, I'm looking for something. I'm Faisal, what up? I'm just sitting here. Tori just responded. Huh. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Oh my god. Hold on, I gotta hide my screen. I got to turn my screen sharing off and then turn it back on with some volume.
Jay, you can start the Tang line from down there to wherever you want.
She responded quick, bro. She responded, just my style. What up? We can start the tan line any way you want. Yo, Trevor. Aditya. $400K applicants. Of course, that's AI. She don't know me. I'm nothing to her. I'm small potatoes. Zen, yeah, totally AI. Tommy, yeah, what's that all about, bro? Father of legends. Hey, yo. Uh-oh. Come on, is that AI? Sheriff J.W. Pepper. I can assure you I'm not her type. Married with 4 kids and 4 dogs, definitely not her type. Valence. How was my day? It was okay. Aside from blowing fucking looses that were halfway to passing last night, everything else was pretty good. Didn't fuck anything else up. Fresh on cloud. Damn, rank gap. It's been tough. It's been tough. I'm sorry that happened. Devin. What up? DBT. Yo, yo. The fuck is this shit? Oil markets are running down storage buffers. Chevron CFO. Yeah, so I saw some guys talking about the new Alpha program. I didn't look too much into it. Twan on, what up? Yeah, bro, we got to get our shit together, man. A lot of us have to get our shit together. See, this is watch this pump here. Watch this pump from here. We didn't actually touch the 786 here. We did here. I don't know. Devin, nice job. That's a great job. Zen lost 5 Take Profit Trader Pros. hit a daily loss on an alpha and 1 XFA. But you're about to request 10K from Funded Next. That's fucking great. Who gives a fuck about anything else? You're getting 10K today. That's what I would be focusing on, the fact that you're having a 10K day. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, you want to fucking look at what happened and work to be better and all that, but you know how hard people have to work to make 10K, and for how long? For most people, it'll take them 3 months of fucking 40-hour weeks to make 10 grand. Busting their fucking ass. And you did it pushing some fucking buttons. Don't forget that shit. Remember that. What's in front of us, we have an amazing fucking opportunity. Here we go. I really think it's going to push. Where's the button? Some people can't find the button. Some people have trouble finding the button, so they scream, "Where's the button?" Yeah, Bowser. Yeah, I get that. Some people, I said most people. Francisco, what up? I'm here. Bro, 17K in a week. 17K. Who gives a fuck about the 5 take profit traders you blew? MLH. Thank you. Great. Thank you for telling me that. I guess I do provide some value after all, huh? I thought I provide no fucking value. Dawson. Yeah, this shit is fucking dying. Or it's dead. I could just see there being some bullshit fucking dildo candle to come back and retest this fucking tan line. Tory values me. Well, I was told by someone who tried to give me one-on-one coaching and didn't like me calling him out for his bullshit. I was told that I provide no value. And everyone that comes to watch my stream is only here to laugh at me. That's who you want. That's who you want. Same person was poaching in my fucking Discord months ago to fucking coach other people. That's who you want. That's who you want. Ron. I love sniffing out the fucking jerk offs. I could always sniff them out. I sniff them out. They're nobody. They were cool until they weren't. All it took was a little bit of fucking poking and prodding. Yeah, exactly. I know I provide value. Did you, Ron? Cool, man. Follow him in every trade he takes. I want to know how it works out for you. To the T. Unless he doesn't tell you when he exits. This is there's a 7/8. I bet this fucking thing goes up. I'm not saying it's gonna go up fucking 40 points because it's fucking the market, the week ends in 13 minutes. Clinville, what up? Ron, are you just saying that? There it goes. 786. I mean, we went 5 points below the 786, but we already bounced like fucking 15, 16 points. We're green. We're pretty green, Clinvale. Green in the trade days. I blew Lucids. I got new ones. I passed these My Funded Futures. These are funded My Funded Futures rapid accounts. I passed the evals earlier this morning. Ron. Well, yeah, pretty much. That's pretty much it. How much is it every month? How much is it? I don't know if he said he's dead ass. I can never know for sure with Ron, but whatever. If he's saying he is, you unpass yourself, Clinvale. That's always fun. We love the happy little unpasses. $100 a month to fucking follow him into his paper trading view account. Don't worry, he executed it on his phone. Good luck, man. Listen, obviously I want it to work for you, right? I want it to work for you. I want you to be able to fucking take whatever he's fucking trying to fucking throw at everybody or teach everybody and make you a better. I want you to become a better trader for it and make money. So, I mean, yeah. Just keep an eye on his trading view when he's fucking charting and drawing and telling you he's going to get into a trade. DBT. He got busted for it like 2 weeks ago, Ron. I'm not saying he does paper trade, but he was showing a paper trading account, trying to show something off, trying to flex. Do I have beef with him? Nah, I just asked him a simple question, and actually, I don't like him. I know, dude. I don't hate him. I don't give a fuck about him. I just think him and fucking Brian Stonk and fucking Lahedji are fucking, they're shady. Actually, I know they are. Corey. Nobita. What up? I asked him a simple question about one time he was bragging about how much money he made in some fucking pro Lucid account, showing it on fucking on Twitter, and then the next morning, not just a few hours later or whatever, 12 hours later, he posted a screenshot of straight to funded Lucids. So I was like, "Yo, are we allowed to trade with 10 accounts now?" I was being fucking, I already knew the answer, and he didn't even answer. He blocked me. And then, there'll be days when, he makes fucking a bunch of money, and then the other guy loses a bunch of money, and vice versa. They take turns. They're sketchy as fuck. And look at all the shit that happened with Brian. He comes across as this fucking innocent guy. Look what happened with him in Apex. His code doesn't even work on Take Profit Trader anymore. They're fucking roommates. They're tummy stick partners. Just not too long ago, he got fucking called out and busted for fucking throwing in all his fucking affiliate commissions with his trading and said, "This is how much I made trading." Patrick Weiland fucking caught him in his bullshit, called him out. And then he fucking backtracked and was like, That's the fucking and they're partners. They're business partners. And then him and fucking Lahedji, Lanto and Lahedji fucking, they're posting the same corny bullshit. "I'm thinking about retiring, semi-retirement, taking a break. The only thing motivating me is my community." Shut the fuck up. They both posted the same shit just a few hours apart. I was waiting for Brian to post the same thing. Fucking corny ass motherfuckers. Anyway. Any fucking way. I just said Savvy. I just said their fucking names. Tommy. Who's that? Who's they? Oh, trade day. You got it. They're going to evaluate you for live when you get to 5,000 in profit on any of your funded accounts. And then if they decide they want you to trade more, they'll tell you to trade more, or they'll tell you they're pushing you to live. If you do it with one account, they'll probably tell you to trade more and get another 5,000. if you're trading 3 accounts together and you push them all, you're probably gonna get pushed live, because that's what happened to me. Yeah, but stock, cars, and bets, it's not it's basically cheating. It's incentivizing. It's incentivizing people to use his code. That violates a lot of terms of service. You know? It's nothing new. I've seen it before. Mark, yeah. He'll say, oh, I did it live in the Discord or whatever. Like, I give a fuck. I really don't fucking care. I just take everything that they fucking put out there as with a grain of salt, because they've been caught being fucking scumbag liars before. Tyler, exactly. You shouldn't be allowed to do that when you got other people in the same space. Dips and peaks. They just act like they're the fucking, like, they only show you what they want you to see. You know, and then once in a while they'll throw in the L's to, to act, to seem human, But that's fine. I'm going to start doing that too. Hiding account numbers, only showing you what I want you to see. Yep. And then you get more, and then you get called a fucking troll. You get called, all types of shit. It's not that hard. That would just solve a lot of problems. Look at all the fucking bullshit he had to do. He's like, hey, ChatGPT, do the math. Do the math on how much I fucking spent. You know what I mean? All that shit had to do with Twitter Spaces. It's all fucking whatever. It doesn't impress me. People fall for it. Amon. Just like Rips blocked me for the same shit, for me just asking, hey, when he was bragging about making 30 grand in a day with 20 Apex funded accounts that he ended up blowing a few days later. And he was hiding the account. And I was like, hey, man, it looks like your account numbers got cut off. What are you up to? I'm just curious. Yup, full tilt. It's all, yeah. They're just marketing, which is fine. Stock, cars, and bets, whatever. I appreciate it. I appreciate you using my code, but it's probably in all of the affiliate companies' fucking terms and conditions that you're not supposed to do it, and they did it anyway. Burp King. TP. All right, this shit ain't. I mean, something might happen at the very end, but whatever. I gave myself a little bit more wiggle room. I wanted gold to come down a little further because gold actually bounced Gold was actually decent on the bounce. It went up like almost 100 ticks. Well, actually, it did go up 100 ticks. But I was able to get 160. Woo! On these. Prop Pit is no longer open. They're out of fucking business. Carlos, yeah. Because they got a lot going on. Oh! There it is. Oh, what the fuck? I'm so glad I'm not in a fucking trade right now. Unless I wish I was in short, obviously. 88. That was a 30 fucking point fucking candle. It was like literally the last second of this candle. The last like 2 seconds of this candle dropped 33 points. And then it fucking got picked up on the next candle as soon as the next candle opened. What the fuck? Coach Fred. He's complaining about the cost of his utility bills. Why is he complaining about the cost of his utility bills? He mastered trading fucking metals. He's a metals trading master. Remember? Savvy. It's just the end of day fucking bullshit. That was crazy. Hey, guys, close all your fucking shit. I'm locking myself out. I don't know if I have orders open anywhere. Boom. Woo! 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 But what a nice drop. Like from here, look. 81. 881 to 755. We end up this was the fucking this candle right here was the 50-minute MOC candle, the first algo candle. It fucking popped real quick, and then it fucking from there it just gave it up. It just kept going down. Imagine just riding that shit down. He said he doesn't trade gold because it's too easy. Who said that? Money Mitch. Who said that? Who's Dave Teaches? I don't even know who that is. All right, I'll be right back, and then we'll do a giveaway. Courtesy of Horace. Hang out. I got to pee again. All right. Oh, Dave, if it's too easy, why wouldn't you fucking trade it? Where's the like button? That's the dumbest shit ever. He teaches Forex. Is he the biggest scammer of all time? According to I'm on trades, it's fucking TJR is the biggest scammer in this space, in the trading space. There's too many of them. Stock, cars, and bets. All right. Pick a number between 1 and 101. 1 and 101. Who the fuck is this? One and 101. Too easy. It's too easy, chat. Here we go. Oh shit! I see Renee from John Jay. Oh shit. Stock cards and bets, yeah. Okay, man. That was very nice of you. P, you like that shit? My daughter made that shit for me years ago after that movie came out. One of my favorite movies. Just so you know, crypto is no longer an option for me to pay you. So if you don't have Zelle, if you don't have PayPal, or you don't have Cash App, or at the very least Venmo, then I'm sorry, I can't pay you back. So just keep that in mind. I'm still working through the numbers, guys. I'm sorry. Um, I'm intrigued by them, Renee. I'm intrigued by Alpha. I know they ran a promotion like last month that was pretty good, and I missed it. I missed out on it. I didn't take advantage of it. Aditya, I'm not gonna. If you win, I'm not. You're not gonna win because you're fucking using multiple accounts. There's no way there's 3 fucking Adityas in here. I'm sorry. I can't do that to everybody else. I lost my fucking spot. That's not fair to anybody else. Damn. Fuck. All right, here we go. Yeah, they had like that 50% off promo recently. I should have taken advantage of that. Yeah, just ain't right. Yeah. Well, when they do their own giveaways, they fucking blitz. They rush to fucking whatever the system is. They know how to game it. I could do a giveaway. I'm coming out of pocket. Even though a lot of people generously hit the super chat, I still usually end up coming out of pocket. You know? Like this one's sponsored by Horus, but there's a good chance I'm gonna end up giving away more than one account. Did I paste that shit in? I'm fucking losing track. All right. Who's next? Damn, there's so many fucking numbers in here. Holy fuck. Lisa, is the Rapid the best account? It depends on what you want. I hate answering like that, saying it depends. It really depends. Remember, it's intraday when you're funded, but you have the potential to get paid daily and on the first day. If you like that, if you're into that kind of thing, if you like those type of accounts, it's a great account to have. There are other funded accounts like the Bob the Builder account. I'm pretty sure it's end of day when you're funded. I have to look again. I'm pretty sure it's end of day. I'm pretty sure everything else they have is end of day when you're funded. But yeah, the issue is the drawdown is trailing. The drawdown is trailing. When you're funded. When you're in the eval stage, it's end of day. It's just like a Take Profit Trader account. Take Profit Trader, until you go Pro Plus, which is the live version of their shit, it's end of day for your eval, and it's intraday when you're funded. All right. Just by the way, I'm canceling the giveaway. Thanks for putting in your numbers. I got to go. Peace. Just kidding. All right. Let's see what's going on here. I'm shutting down the studio. I'm rug pulling all you motherfuckers. All right. Random. Thanks for sitting here and putting in your numbers. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 79. Keegan Murphy. That's fucking great. Who else? Who the fuck is this? Study only. This is probably a fucking burner account, just to be used for giveaways. We'll see. They'll probably want to get paid by crypto, and that's not an option. And I said it before I ran the number. So, just letting you know. Anybody else? Study. Hey, Bowser, my bad. We got 2 winners. Remember, Zelle, Cash App, PayPal. I don't even tell you what account you want. You have your choice of not 50K flex, 50K Lucid Flex. That's your option. No more Tron. Study wants fucking trading pit. All right. So here's what you need to do. I don't know who Study Stud Ash is, but you got to join my Discord. You got to join the DGen Treehouse. And then you got to hit me up. You got to grab the account of 50K Lucid. 150K Lucid. Keegan already knows the deal. He knows what he needs to do. Grab the account. Take a screenshot of your proof of purchase. Use my code, please. And then send me a screenshot of your proof of purchase via DM and how to pay you. Zelle, Cash App, or PayPal. And then I'll square up with you, okay? Congratulations to Keegan and Study Stud Ash. Really study only. 50K Lucid Flex. All right, guys, I got to bounce. Thank you so much for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. I'm probably going to be streaming on during Asia on Sunday at some point. I just don't know when, but I would like to get on. I actually have a late fucking game. I have a 3 o'clock game. So that means I won't get home from my game until like 6:30. So it'll be like a nighttime stream. I'll probably be on sometime between like 7 and 8 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. And then obviously every day during the week, Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. And then Monday for sure, I'll be doing a whip stream because I got to take my son to drums and I'll have 2 hours to chill. So I'll be hopping on at some point after I drop him off around 5 p.m. Eastern. So that's what I got going on. I appreciate you guys and thank you. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend, all that good shit. I'll see you soon. Join the Discord. Even if you didn't win, right, and you're not hanging out, you need a place to hang out with a bunch of other fucking prop firm traders. This is the best fucking community, and you don't have to fucking pay $100 a month. We all trade in there for real. All right, guys, here's the link. It's free for now. Use my code 0DayJ at Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Lucid, My Fund the Futures, Bullinox, or Apex if you need to grab accounts and you want to support the channel. Thanks again to Storm Horace for the generous donation. I appreciate it, bro. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Peace.